everyone, it's Jennifer from DP Addiction Adventures, and I have 1, 2, 3 crystal canvas arts that I want to open. She right now, it's almost end of August, and she has a sale going on, but check out her Facebook group. She has new ones coming. They're stuck in customs right now. She has some sales going on, and she has amazing work. All of her stuff is 100% crystal or special drill, except some of the blacks, maybe, you know, the opaque black. So I wanted to open this one first. This is one of her newer ones. It's a Panda, and it's 50 by 40. This one is, and what I love about her too is it comes here in the United States, and it's a free shipping here in the United States. So this was $27, 40 by 50. It's called Blossom by Natalie Meckham. And if you look on her site, it will also say exclusive to let you know if it's an exclusive artist, or she uses public domain. So here are the drills, okay, and it's labeled AM425, AM425, which, you know, it's a 40 by 50. I'm going to open this, crinkle, crinkle. And these are all in here. They're all crystal. And I've done many of hers. Actually, the one that's behind me, and when I do openings, a lot of times, that orange flower is one of hers as well. But they have extremely high quality. She does a great job on quality control. If you have any issues whatsoever, please let her know. So yeah, she can handle it. I think this is the black. So I don't think this is the crystal, because anything that's black is usually opaque to give the crystals the ability to shine. All right, so I will check off camera, make sure those are all there, and I'll come back and let you know. You guys ready? It is poured glue, round, and look at this cute panda. My goodness, I have her upside down. I just thought this was adorable. Just adorable. It has 23 colors. Most of what she does is either numbers or letters, very few symbols. Let you know it's a 50 by 40, 40 by 50. It has it on the bottom left, upper right. You get the thumbnail on each side. You get her logo at the top. crystalcanvas.us is what you want to go with. Her stuff does have what I call dummy circles in a way, and let me explain what that means. So when you're up close, you can see the background color, and then it's lightened inside where the letter or number is, okay? This is me putting it back down. There's not a wrinkle in the canvas, I promise. But here in the light area, you can tell there is no circle. It's not as poignant because the color, when it goes to be light, is already light to begin with. And so that's why it looks like it may have those training wheel circles, but not really. So when you do put it down, because it's the same color as the drill behind it, it actually helps your piece pop more. You also see up here it is licensed by Natalie Meckham. So I love this. I'm so glad. I can't wait to start this cute little panda. So I'm going to roll this back up. It does come with a standard toolkit, which is just a single placer with, I believe that's a 6-placer, a white tray, and some wax. Up. And we're going to put it, never re-roll if it's double-sided adhesive, but if it's poured glue, you can. It will not damage your canvas. I'm going to put this in here. Okay. This one I have wanted for a while. It was on sale. It's the Golden Pineapple, and it was $16.20 on sale. It's a 40 by 50. So I believe this one was $27, but I got it for $16.40, and that's what it looks like. I saw somebody had done this, and I just fell in love with it. So here are your crystals. I don't know why I wanted a pineapple. Now this one must be one of her older kits, which is why it might be on sale. It comes with the green square tray, some tweezers, a single placer. And it has 28 colors. It's just a cute pineapple. Don't ask me why I wanted a pineapple, but I did, and it looks really cute when it's done. So it has, now see on this canvas, you can tell is different. It's square right here. It's not a square drill, but it doesn't have the circle around it. So this is an older canvas that she has. She has the factory change how she's done it now. But you can see there's squares instead of circles around each one of these symbols here. Yeah, so that's my pineapple. And again, you got left bottom, right top. You've got the thumbnail. Excellent quality. I'm excited. Right. I might do this one in the dead of winter when I'm wanting to feel a little bit tropical. And then the last one I want to just kind of show you, I've wanted as well for a while. It's a 40 by 40, and it's called Remembrance Boots, and that was $25. I'll show you the picture just a second. It's upside down. There you go. And I thought, I went ahead and got this one. I want to do it for Memorial Day / July 4th next year. And so I went ahead and got it because I didn't know how long she would have it. I saw someone actually do this one. This is the older toolkit, and it turned out really well. And so I wanted to get it before it was gone. And it's just these boots. Let me see if I can, sorry about that. But it's these boots with the little tag here. And then you've got your crystals all right here. And again, the black, even though they have the silver back, they're opaque versus kind of a see-through crystal. And this is 25 colors. It's 40 by 40 square. They also have another flag one with silhouettes of soldiers that I thought about getting as well. But I could only get one of the two this time around financially. So I got this one because it's the older, and I didn't want it to go bye-bye before it was too late, because I'm hoping to do something July 4th. So these are the ones that I got from Crystal Canvas. I can't wait. She's got some really fun new ones out. Go check them out. Some really colorful ones with words. And she's got some gnomes coming as well. So crystalcanvas.us. And she also has a Facebook group. I'll link it down below, which gives you what's coming up, gives you little sneak peeks. And I hope you enjoy Amy's work as much as I do as a US company. And I can't wait to start on these. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.